Hi Harry, you can see a bamboo canvas and I'm going to draw a nice scenery. It's going to be the red mountain. So for the mountain lines, let's draw some this kind of outlines to draw the mountains. This is the ground. I'm putting the few strokes to outline the sceneries here. Okay, so you can see the strokes, very definitive strokes. Looks very nice. Okay. So you can see the mountains getting nicely visible. So the clear outlines comes up from this point. For each mountain you have to show a distinct outlines of that part. This is the mountain at the lower level. Okay, and another one. I'm just going to put the outlines here. Then again take the red color to show the own characteristics of the taller body of that mountain. From the corner we're just filling up the whole area. Okay, so the three mountains are done. Now we're going to show the clouds on these sides only, so you can see the clouds. Okay, as you know, the clouds are little bit variable thickness. Some clouds are darker, some clouds are lighter, so that's going to be the difference in appearance for all types of clouds. You can see the brush strokes done by me, so it's a bamboo canvas, that's why the same types of brush strokes is not applicable for the regular canvas system. So you can see here I am putting a different types of brush strokes, putting it multiple times over in the surfaces. Okay, now I'm going to draw the trees of the mountain lines. So putting this one, another one, another one. So these are the trees, taller trees. Okay, these are the abstract presentations, so that's why it's not the exact configuring, but it's a symbolic presentations. For the trees you can see the appearance. Okay, few trees we are going to need in this segment. Okay, for the taller part let's put some red color for the trees here. Okay, so mountains, trees, and the skylines, and just adding some waters, putting some dots here. You can see I'm putting some water dots. Okay, so that's how it looks, a very nice scenery and the scheme. And as you know, this place looks a little bit empty, so I'm putting some irregular brush strokes to show the extensions of the clouds over the sky, and the drawing is going to be complete. Awesome, let's finish up this whole corner. All right, so this is a nice drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.